Turn casual browsers into loyal subscribers by mastering your Beehiiv subscribe page today. First, let's navigate to your Beehiiv dashboard. Click on Settings in the left-hand menu, and then select Publishing. Here, you'll find the crucial Subscribe Page option. Click on that to dive into the design and customization tools. This is where the magic happens. Start by crafting a compelling headline. Think of it as your hook. It needs to instantly tell visitors what they'll gain from subscribing. Below your headline, elaborate on the value proposition in the description. Use bullet points to clearly outline the benefits your subscribers will receive. What problems do you solve? What unique insights do you offer? Now, let's talk about the very heart of your subscribe page, the form design. Customize your button color to grab attention. A vibrant, contrasting color will make it stand out. And don't forget the button text. Instead of a generic subscribe, try something more enticing like join your free community or unlock exclusive content. Make it clear what they're doing and why they should do it. Remember, a visually appealing and benefit-rich subscribe page is your most powerful tool for lead capture. Keep iterating. Test different phrases and watch your list grow.